What is going on, squad? It is your boy, that guy Ike. You're checking out another episode of One Race Lifestyle, and today I'm working on the bike. If you can see the bike right there, working on the bike. Hold on, let me turn around for you. Working on the bike. So what I ended up doing today, actually before we even get to that, make sure you click that subscribe, make sure you click that like, make sure you share it. Follow me on Instagram at One Race Lifestyle, follow me on Facebook and on Twitter at One Race Lifestyle. And it is official, the website is up. So if you are looking to get some merch, you can cop some shirts. I have these and some other ones that you can check out, and the website is www.oneracelifestyle.com. So go ahead and check it out, check out some merch, let me know, hit me up, all that good stuff. I really appreciate all the support. But today, I took a little ride, about a good 2-hour ride there and back. Came out to be 4 hours to a little northern part of Florida. But anyway, when I got back, I decided I was going to go ahead and work on some mods for the bike. So I went ahead and I installed some LED turn signals on the bike. I'm going to show you really quick just how they looking. Hold on. The bike is kind of looking like a hot mess right now. Let's see here. Boom. Got the LEDs going on the bike. Let me see if I can get closer so you can see them. Oh yeah, they look so much better than the old ones. And I got them on the front and the rear, and they all work. So check it out. Boom. Boom. So LED turn signals are installed on the bike. The down part to this installation that I just did is I ordered a fender eliminator kit for the rear of the bike, so I'm gonna have to pretty much do that side all again. But while I have you here and while I have your attention, I guess I will let you know how this was all done. All right, so here we go with this installation. These are the old joints right here. As you can see, they're big and bulky. These are a little bit more slim, and those are full LED. These have bulbs in them. So the installation to this was actually pretty simple. If you go up under your front fairings, I don't know if you can see up in there, but I have the wires there. But you can pretty much reach the bolt for the turn signals. There's one there, and then there's one right there. Those are the bolts on it. You unscrew it, you unclip it from the harness on the bike. This is what the clips would be. So if you are looking to purchase these lights, this is what the clip would be. This was my hardest part of figuring out which lights to get. As you can see, they're not the flat connectors, they are the round ones. So if you are getting this bike, make sure that the lights you get have this connection on it. All right, if they don't, you're gonna have to cut wires, or you're gonna have to get adapters and that stuff. And finding stuff for this bike, especially light adapters, is pretty difficult. So these right here, plug and play, pretty simple. All right, so again, just to show you again, that's what they look like right there. Okay, cool. I hope that helped you out. So it's just one screw. Pretty much just get your wrench to take it out. I forgot what size wrench it was that pulled it out. If you have a set of wrenches, you'll have the right one anyway. So go ahead and unwrench it, pop it out, and that's all good. Now the back side of this bike, oh, that's the 300 over there. But the back side of the bike, trying to put the lights in on this side was a little bit more difficult. It's a little bit more involved. So let's see where I started here. You want to remove your rear seat. You want to remove your main seat and get that out of the way. Once you remove that out of the way, you will have this plastic piece right here. This plastic piece sits in here like this. There's two Phillips head screws at the top, and then there's two push pins down at the bottom. I left the push pins in there so I wouldn't lose them. Once you get this out, this piece, you would want to take it and pull downwards. Don't pull it up, don't push it back, don't try to pry it. You want to pull downwards. That will pop that plastic piece out. Once that plastic piece is out, you're going to unearth some of these reusable zip ties. There's a little latch right there. Sorry, my hands are kind of dirty, but I've been working on the bike. But there's a little latch right there. You're going to push that and unloosen it. That will unloose this wire here. This is your lock right here for the rear seat. So just to get that out of the way and then help move that plastic piece that I just showed you out of the way. You also have another one right here, which is another reusable zip tie. You want to loosen that. Then you will have this light right here. This harness right here is the plug for your rear tail light. So you want to go ahead and remove that. There's one clip here. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Pull that apart. And then there's a little rubber boot down here that connects all the other lights. So as you see, there's 246 different connections down here. 2 of these go to each light. You have some that will go to the license plate light, which are these two. The gray wire and your black and white wire, that goes to your license plate light. The green wire and the black and white wire, that goes to your, if you're sitting on a bike, to your right side tail light, if you're sitting on a bike facing forward. And then this one will go to your left side tail light if you're sitting on a bike facing forward. So you want to go ahead and plug all those in, but before you even get to that, you have to drop the infamous fender. This fender here has 4 different connections under here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 screws under there. So once you get those 4 screws out, and actually you can see them better here. These are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get those 4 out from the bottom, and then there's 4 more Phillips head screws in the fender itself that you have to use to open it, so you can go ahead and get to the wiring of the lights. Once you do that, the lights pretty much have the same bolts as the stock ones. You go ahead and unscrew those bolts, disconnect the lights, pull them out, put in your new lights, plug them back in, make sure they work first before you start putting everything back together. And it's a pretty simple process. It's just the rear section takes a little bit longer because you got to remove more stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's you know, if you're good with tools or knowledgeable about certain things, this install really shouldn't be that difficult for you. Like I said, the rear just takes a little bit more time because you got to take apart more stuff and put more stuff together. And actually, I just noticed I got to clean up one more thing back here. Let me see if I can even get it without doing it. But yeah, so other than that, that's the install for the turn signals. And like I said, I got them on the front and the back. As you see right here, boom. Tail light still work, everything. And I prefer the hyper flash because I think you'll notice the hyper flash more than the regular dull flash. That's just me. If they burn out, these lights were only 17 bucks on Amazon. So I'll include a link in the description below for the lights, of where you can get them from. Also, I have some swing arm spools I'm going to go ahead and throw on too, which are fairly simple to install. If you do get a set of swing arm spools, they just connect in, where is it, right here. This will be on the bottom of your swing arm. All you do is just screw that in there with the swing arm spools, and then you're all good. So that's just a little quick video, man. I want to show y'all some stuff that I'm working on the bike. Just to go ahead and give y'all an update on the exhaust. I know a lot of y'all seen the clip on the exhaust on Instagram. I put the exhaust on, I mocked it up, I didn't like it, so I went back to the stock one. I ended up returning the exhaust that I had, and I'm just gonna go ahead and purchase a different one, which will more than likely be the Leo Vinci LV10, just because it's a whole better, to me, it's just a whole better setup. But yeah, man, that's the bike. I'm saying we all good. These are the swing arm spools. These spools are like 10 bucks on Amazon. They're carbon fiber like. I wouldn't say they're real carbon fiber because they're kind of heavy, but they're carbon fiber like. And I hope if you have a motorcycle, you should know what these are for. Pretty much if you're doing work on the bike, you put these on your bike. It allows you to put a stand on it so you can lift the bike off the ground. But other than that, man, again, thank you guys for rocking with me. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Please continue sending your questions and comments. I'll put a link in the description below to everything that I put on the bike today. I'll keep you updated on the exhaust. Again, make sure you check out the website, www.oneraclifestyle.com. It is officially live. You can order your merch. I really appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, and we're going to keep going. All right, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at One Race Lifestyle. Now holla back later.